Hey guys, welcome to Purple's YouTube channel. I'm Kavya and I'm here to make sure that all you pretty ladies do not face the problem of dry skin anymore. But before we go ahead, make sure you subscribe to Purple's YouTube channel and don't forget to hit the bell button to not miss out on any beauty update. Beautiful skin begins with exceptional skincare. People often perceive that winter is the only time that their skin suffers from drying and chapping. While this gorgeous season does bring with it this problem, it's not the only time that your skin needs that extra moisture. Your skin is yours to take care of, and it needs that extra moisture irrespective of the season. Over the years, I have learned which ingredient does good to the skin and when exactly it should be used, and I'm going to be sharing all of my secrets today with you. So today, let me take you through some of the best body lotions in India. And when I say the best, it's not really a random curation. It's some of the best rated, performing and selling products on Purple.com. The first product that I have with me is from the House of Good Vibes, the Peach Body Lotion. It comes in premium round packaging with a pump for easy use. However, unlike most other products in the market, this pump can be locked, making it really user-friendly. As it mentions, it's a nourishing body lotion and it's fabulous for dry and dull skin. Peach as an ingredient is packed with antioxidants, vitamins and minerals, thereby regenerating skin tissues and tightening your pores. This product helps your skin in not looking tired and gives it that extra burst of hydration. This is how easy it is to use this product with the pump. The best part is this feels really light and easy on the skin and it smells equally good. Next I have, again from the house that stands for natural goodness, Good Vibes, is the Strawberry Body Lotion. This is a skin softening specialist and is extremely non-greasy in nature. Strawberry is actually a really rich source of vitamin C and free radicals are thus taken care of by it. The ellagic acid, which is actually present in a strawberry, helps in preventing aging and wrinkling of skin. This body lotion works for all skin types and I absolutely recommend it. A little product can go a long way as this is extremely non-greasy and still super hydrating. Next I have from Good Vibes again is the Aloe Vera Body Lotion. We will soon be working on a video dedicated completely to the benefits of aloe vera, so watch out for that. This is a paraben-free formulation and will deeply nourish and soothe your skin. What's also great about this product is that it helps soothe skin inflammations to a great extent. It's also loaded with a lot of amino acids, minerals and antioxidants and is absolutely great for your skin. This one feels really fresh and easy and that's exactly why I love the House of Good Vibes. From one natural brand to another, this brand's been giving the Indian market a lot of promising products and I have with me Biotique Bio Winter Cherry Body Lotion. This product revitalizes weather-roughened body skin. What's also great is that it actually improves skin's elasticity to a great extent. This formula is a great blend of winter cherry, sunflower, safflower, muskroot and almond oil, all of which are really good for your skin. A great tip is to apply this product on your damp skin because it will help it absorb really well, really nourishing your skin. Next, from the international skincare giant, which has been ruling the Indian market for ages now, is the Nivea Oil and Lotion Coco Nourish Body Lotion. This one's actually a product which you can use when you're stepping out in the sun. It has UVA and UVB, which helps you fight sun rays and protects your skin while nourishing it at the same time. Our skin has its own protection system and this product helps to reactivate and reinforce it. So if you're stepping out in the sun, this is your product. Enriched with coconut butter and coconut oil, this product is great if you have really dry skin. From one skincare giant to another, I have with me the Parachute Advanced Body Lotion Soft Touch. With its breakthrough formula of 100% natural moisturizers, this product is a major revelation in the skincare world. It's extremely lightweight and non-greasy, penetrating into the skin really well, leaving it irresistible to touch. Now I have with me from the House of VLCC is the Almond Nourishing Body Lotion. This one is a really good skin nourishing moisturizer and the best part is that it comes with SPF 15 protection, which means every time you step out in the sun, it helps to protect your skin from sun damage and tan. You can use this product in the day as well as in the night and it doesn't matter what season of the year it is. This product is your go-to. The goodness of almond deeply nourishes your skin and this product is extremely non-greasy and non-oily. How can we talk about body lotions and not mention Vaseline, which is synonymous with skincare? Today I have with me the Vaseline Intensive Care Aloe Soothe Body Lotion. This one too is an aloe vera based product, which is exactly why we had to do a video dedicated completely to the benefits of aloe vera. It goes without saying that this product has the benefits of aloe vera, which soothes your skin. But it also has drops of Vaseline jelly, which helps lock the moisture in your skin, leaving it really smooth for hours. I highly recommend this product because this absorbs into the skin really fast and is absolutely lightweight. Another brand which has been building itself a great name in the industry with its fabulous products is Plum. And today I have with me the Vanilla and Fig Feel the Fudge Body Butter. Now this one's a body butter and not a body lotion. Traditionally, body butters are really thick compared to body lotions, which explains the jar. Needless to say, this one is really effective for dry skin and the emolliency is really great, deeply penetrating into a skin to nourish it better. I'll quickly take you through all the promising ingredients in this product. For nourishing, there's shea butter. For soothing, there's a dose of vanilla. There's also antioxidant fig extracts in here. And vitamin B3 for skin conditioning. You need very little product for every use thanks to its absolutely natural formula, and it penetrates into the skin really well, leaving it absolutely soft and nourished. So these are some of the best body lotions in the country. Do leave your comments below and tell me which of these you already use and which of these you cannot wait to try. The link to all these products is in the description box below. Before you leave, don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe and hit the bell button for notifications. Until the next time, may your skin glow!